Hello and welcome to our book review podcast where we delve into some of the best books in finance and investing. Today, we have an exciting book for you all. How to Trade in Stocks by Jesse Livermore. Jesse Livermore is considered a legendary figure in the world of stock trading and investing. His story is one of rags to riches, starting from a young boy making his first trade to becoming one of the richest and most successful traders of his time. In this book, Livermore shares his insights, experiences, and strategies for successful stock trading. He provides a unique perspective on how to approach the markets, how to analyze stocks, and how to make informed decisions. This book has been highly acclaimed and is considered a must-read for anyone interested in the world of finance and investing. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting out, How to Trade in Stocks offers valuable lessons and insights that are still relevant today. So join us as we delve into this classic book and discover the secrets to successful stock trading with Jesse Livermore. How to Trade in Stocks offers a wealth of knowledge and insights for traders and investors. Here are some of the key takeaways from the book. Emotional control. Jesse Livermore emphasizes the importance of emotional control when trading in the stock market. He argues that traders should not let their emotions dictate their decisions and instead focus on analyzing market trends and making logical choices. Market analysis. The book provides insights on how to analyze the market and understand market trends. Livermore discusses the importance of keeping track of stock prices, volume, and market sentiment to make informed decisions. Risk management. Livermore also stresses the importance of managing risk when trading in the stock market. He explains that traders should always have a plan in place to manage risk and protect their capital. Patience. The book highlights the importance of patience when trading in the stock market. Livermore argues that traders should not be in a rush to make decisions and should wait for the right opportunities to arise. Diversification. Livermore encourages traders to diversify their portfolios to reduce risk and increase the chances of success. He argues that traders should not put all their eggs in one basket and instead spread their investments across multiple stocks and industries. Trend following. Livermore emphasizes the importance of following market trends and not trying to predict the future. He argues that traders should focus on identifying and following trends, rather than trying to anticipate market movements. Discipline. The book highlights the importance of discipline when trading in the stock market. Livermore stresses the need to stick to a well-defined plan and not deviate from it, even when faced with difficult market conditions. Mental preparation. Livermore believes that traders should be mentally prepared for the ups and downs of the stock market. He argues that traders should be resilient and able to handle the stress and emotions that come with trading. Avoiding common mistakes. Livermore provides insights on common mistakes that traders make and offers tips on how to avoid them. He argues that traders should be aware of these pitfalls and take steps to avoid them. Learning from failure. The book also emphasizes the importance of learning from failures and mistakes. Livermore argues that traders should not be discouraged by losses, but instead should use them as opportunities to learn and grow. The importance of market knowledge. Livermore argues that traders should have a deep understanding of the markets they are trading in. He believes that market knowledge is key to success and encourages traders to stay informed and up to date on market developments. Understanding market psychology. The book delves into the psychological aspects of stock trading and provides insights into the behavior of other traders and investors. Livermore argues that understanding market psychology can be a powerful tool for successful trading. Timing is key. Livermore believes that timing is critical when it comes to stock trading. He argues that traders should have a sense of when to enter and exit trades, based on market trends and market sentiment. Focus on long-term gains. Livermore encourages traders to focus on long-term gains, rather than short-term profits. He argues that traders who focus on long-term goals are more likely to achieve success and wealth in the stock market. Adaptability. The book highlights the importance of adaptability in stock trading. Livermore argues that traders should be flexible and able to adjust their strategies as market conditions change. How to Trade in Stocks is filled with many memorable quotes that offer insight and wisdom for traders and investors. Here are 10 of the best quotes from the book. It is not the trader who is right, but their opinion at the time that is right. The market does not beat them. They beat themselves, because though they have brains, they cannot sit tight. Successful trading is anticipating the anticipations of others. The desire for constant action irrespective of underlying conditions is responsible for many losses in Wall Street, even among the professionals, who feel that they must take home some money every day, as though they were working for regular wages. The speculator's chief enemies are always boring from within. The biggest losses come from hoping that the market will turn. The best time to sell a stock is usually when everyone else is buying it, and the best time to buy a stock is usually when everyone else is selling it. Successful trading is based on the simple principles of supply and demand. The only way to make money in stocks is to have the patience to wait for the right opportunity. It is not good to be too curious about all the reasons behind the moves. One can at least be sure that there are always many reasons why prices change. In conclusion, How to Trade in Stocks by Jesse Livermore is a timeless classic that offers valuable insights and wisdom for traders and investors. The book's emphasis on following market trends, discipline, mental preparation, avoiding common mistakes, and learning from failure are lessons that are just as relevant today as they were when the book was first published. Furthermore, the book's focus on market knowledge, understanding market psychology, timing, long-term gains, and adaptability offer valuable advice for traders at all levels. Whether you are an experienced trader or just starting out, How to Trade in Stocks provides a wealth of knowledge and guidance that is sure to help you succeed in the stock market. It is worth noting that Jesse Livermore's own story and experiences in the stock market serve as a testament to the importance of the lessons he shares in the book. Despite facing many obstacles and setbacks, Livermore was able to achieve great success as a trader and investor, and his book serves as a testament to his insights and wisdom. By reading How to Trade in Stocks, traders and investors can tap into Livermore's hard-won knowledge and experience, and gain valuable insights and guidance for their own trading journey.